In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods Max to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a MacBook, an iPhone, an iPad, an iMac, regardless of the Apple device, you are able to easily connect your AirPods Max. So this connection will be done wirelessly using Bluetooth, and it is going to work natively. So all that you have to do is ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your MacBook. So go over to the settings on your device, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. Now, to make sure that the AirPods appear under the list of nearby devices, you need to power them on, and usually by powering them on, they will automatically go into pairing mode. So press this button here to power them on, and if needed, press it down for a couple of seconds. Usually, you will see the LED at the back or below it start flashing, indicating that it is searching for nearby devices to pair with. And once it is in pairing mode, it is going to appear under nearby devices like this. All that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth was enabled and that the AirPods Max are in close proximity of your MacBook. Now choose the option to connect and you will be good to go. There is no secret to this. The AirPods Max will now be transferred over to the list of my devices. You will see the battery levels here, and you can use them until they run out of battery or until you walk far enough away from the MacBook with them. Subsequent pairings will be done automatically, so you don't need to repeat this process every single time. As soon as you power them on and you are in close proximity of the MacBook, you will be able to select them from My Devices, or they will pair automatically. So it's as simple as ensuring that they are sufficiently charged, powering them on, and once they go into pairing mode, select them from the list of nearby devices. And like I said in the beginning of the video, this same process can be done with other Apple devices. So you just go into the Bluetooth settings, enable Bluetooth, and then it is going to appear on nearby devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods Max to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.